Ever since Hurricane Michael hit 9 months ago, Panama City and surrounding areas have been in a state of emergency, and that has now been extended yet again by state orders. This was announced today at the Panama City City Commission meeting, along with other hurricane updates, including the current state of the Panama City Disaster Relief Fund. As of now, $225,000 has been donated to the fund, and $10,000 of that has gone to Retree PC, an organization working to recover the city's tree canopy lost during the storm. City Manager Mark McQueen says the online store Amazon is working to help contribute more money to the Disaster Relief Fund.
It's part of the Amazon Smile as a charitable organization, and so if anybody's using Amazon, they can certainly consider a portion of Amazon's profits to go toward the city of Panama City.
Along with that, McQueen wants to remind all residents who need help removing large amounts of debris to apply for the private property debris removal program. Panama City residents can apply at the old police substation on MLK Boulevard or at the Lake Huntington Clubhouse. The deadline is Wednesday, June 10th. That's tomorrow, or July 10th, and all residential, commercial, and demolition requests are eligible.